Now children, look at here and tell me what is written here. You don't know? Okay. This is V and its sound is V. Okay, its sound is V. Say with me, V. Say one more time, V. Say once again, V. Now we will see some pictures. We start with sound V. Children, look at here and tell me what is this? Yes, this is van. Say with me, van. Say once again, van. Children, look at this picture and tell me what is this? Yes, this is vase. Say with me, vase. Say once again, vase. Children, look at this picture and tell me what is this? You don't know? Okay, I'll tell you. This is vulture. One more time, vulture. Say once again, vulture. Now children, we will see new sound. This is wa. How it sounds? Wa. So children, look at here and tell me what is written here. Yes, this is W and its sound is wa. How it sounds? Wa. Say with me, wa. Now we will see some pictures. We start with sound wa. Children, look at here and tell me what is this? Yes, this is water. Say with me, water. Say once again, water. Say one more time, water. Children, look at this picture and tell me what is this? Yes, this is wall. Say with me, wall. Say one more time, wall. Say once again, wall. Children, look at this picture and tell me what is this? Yes, this is watch. Say with me, watch. Say one more time, watch. Say once again, watch. So children, today we learn 3 new sounds and they are a, wa. So learn it properly at your home. Have a nice day. Bye.